Hello everyone and welcome aboard. So this is what I have been looking forward to since quite some time now. I wanted to publish small tutorials and videos on Angular, React, NodeJS, since that's what I have been doing, face to face for people. But I wanted to do it on YouTube. I want to spread the knowledge more. All that I wanted is to start a bit cheap because I know that I should not throw everything that I have into the audio setup, the studio setup that we need to go for. And I started off with a very basic condenser microphone, which didn't cost me much. Plus, I already have one mobile phone that has the camera. So I purchased a tripod so that I can rest my camera on that. Also, I just purchased this microphone stand, which is really necessary to start coding and at the same time hold the microphone. So the condenser microphone that I have is powered by this USB sound card. So I'm not using a phantom power or I'm not using an audio interface to get the thing done, and which gives me a decent quality. I mean, it is not like a very good quality that an audio interface would have, but it would give me a very decent quality that should be there. So that, plus I have a set of headphones. I don't use it for monitoring, but I use it for, hearing out what my video would sound like later. So I don't actually monitor my video at the start, but later I would like to do so. This extra screen that you're seeing over here, which is something that I bought for a very different purpose. It is not at all necessary for recording. Plus this keyboard and mouse, they were bought like years ago, not at all actually necessary for recording. All you need is a condenser microphone, a USB sound card, and a laptop. That's what it is. And the software that I'm using is Open Broadcaster software, which is really good as far as the open source nature of the things are concerned. It's a really good software for an open source software. It gives you a very good possibility of getting the videos recorded for the tutorials. I'd be bringing in a lavalier microphone later just to see what is the difference between this microphone and the lavalier microphone that I have. And it'll be coming in like a couple of days. I'll be uploading a video of that as well. The whole aim of this video is to let you know that it is not necessary to start big, but you can go for small little investments and get going from there. And when you reach at one level, you can go for a bigger investment after all. So do not hesitate to reach out if you want to know more about my setup. So that's pretty much it. Do like the video and subscribe to the channel and share this video and spread the knowledge. Thank you. Goodbye.